Video 1000! You gotta go on to the next playlist. So we're making a game engine from complete scratch. We're gonna remake this side-scroller Bomberman MMO that uses proximity mines that explode in different directions, right? This is what we're working on. Now, it might take about 3 years total to get back to where we are, so we're about a year into the process. But we're gonna remake this engine. We're gonna remake this game in our own engine, right? And this is a screenshot from the current engine, right? So here's another screenshot from the engine, right? So we have these special kind of bombs called spark pins that they can chain react, but they do not get used up. They have a cooldown time, and then you can kind of reuse them. So they're kind of like the proximity mines, but they can be used to create these permanent electrical circuits in the game engine. If you're interested in this game engine, then right now you're on the 1 minute per video playlist. You need to go on over to here. Right now you're on playlist number 10. You're on the last video playlist number 10. You got to move on over to Kanji playlist 11 on tinyurl.com/Kanji playlist 11. That's going to take you to the YouTube playlist number 11 on my Kanji Coder channel. Now there also is a 10-minute version of these videos on tinyurl.com/ninja playlist 11. That's going to take you to the Ninja Coder channel playlist. We also have a tech demos only playlist, Weeboo playlist 11 on the Weeb Coder channel, if all of this code kind of makes your head hurt. Source code is right here if you want to check out the current snapshot. And if you want to check out like 1 hour long tech demos, that's going to be on my Twitch channel. So with all that said, I think we're about out of here. So this has been video 1000. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. We're writing server code. We're writing rendering code, AI code. We're writing it all from scratch. If you want to see what's going on, you want to see how to make a game engine from complete scratch, like, subscribe, follow.